The Commission on Elections could spend up to 2.5 billion pesos if the Bangsamoro parliamentary elections are postponed. Recall that President Bongbong Marcos has certified as urgent a bill seeking to reschedule the polls. COMELEC has halted ballot printing for the region's first ever parliamentary elections. The Bangsamoro Transition Authority must decide how to redistribute 7 parliamentary districts removed from Sulu. This could lead to ballot revisions and a reopening of candidacy of filing of candidacy rather. Despite this, voting for national and local positions in BARM from senators to municipal councilors will push through.
Pag sineparate nyo ito, iba po yung mga bayad sa guro o yung ating honoraria, yung lahat ng election paraphernalia, iba rin pong set ng mga balota. Practically po as if magkukonda ka ng special election sa buong rehiyon.
Oh, yung actual election that pertains to yung national election natin or yung and the local elections regarding yung entire Philippines. So, hindi naman mag-iiba yun.
Oo, ito,
ang mag-iiba lang
yung
is
BARM.
actual BARM parliament.
Yes.
Oo,
kasi, yun nga, di ba sinasabi dito, they have to check pa also yung sa provision ng magiging batas kung i-reopen nila yung certificate of, filing of certificate of candidacy.
Okay.
Dahil dito sa nangyari nito. Or, tuloy lang, kung sino yung nag-file noon,
tapos
yun pa rin. So, they have to check that also. Nilinaw yan ng COMELEC. And of course, kailangan gumawa ng Bangsamoro Parliament ng batas para ma-distribute ng Sulu, yung iiwan na seats ng Sulu. Diba? 7 seats yun.
Because yung sa declaration ng Supreme Court.
Yes, and supposedly hindi na sila kasama sa BARM, Ma'am Sulu. Diba? Separate sila. So yung 7 seats na mawawala from them, kailangan i-redistribute yun sa iba pang provinces.
Yes.
To be able to do that, they have to make a law. Diba? For that.
Tama.
So yun yung sinasabi nila. So 2.5 billion pesos yung gagastusin kung hindi nga matutuloy yung Yung ibang mga nakakausap ko mga taga-Sulu na mga kakandidato dyan, syempre, yung mga pamilya nila, medyo na-disappoint sila kasi ready na sana sila
sa eleksyon.
Sa eleksyon.